Face ID is disabled on your iPhone? Here's how you can fix it in just a few minutes. First, clean the front camera area. To do this, look at the top of your iPhone where the Face ID sensors are located. Use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe the top part of the screen and remove any dust, fingerprints, or dirt. If Face ID is still not working, move on to the next step. Next, reset Face ID. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a little and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode when asked. Then scroll down and tap Reset Face ID. This will remove your current Face ID. After resetting Face ID, close the Settings app. Now it's time to force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Right after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button, even if the slide to power off screen appears. Continue holding it until the screen turns completely black. When you see the Apple logo, release the side button. Your iPhone has now finished the force restart. After your iPhone turns back on, set up Face ID again, just like you normally do. Then check if Face ID is working properly again. I hope this helped fix the problem.